Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is my Huawei Mate 9. It's running the latest update for the month of August 2018. I'm going to go to About Phone. As you can see here, if I could focus. Not really, but as you can see, it's August 1st, 2018. I was able to update this via the MHA 8. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you use that method to flash over to the latest version. As you can see here, if I go to the firmware finder app, it's going to be the latest update. As you can see, 8.00372. You're going to click here. You're going to check firmware access, which is going to say your phone is not approved. But I'm not going to get too much into detail about that. If you don't know how to unlock your bootloader or flash custom firmware, I wouldn't recommend doing that if you're not very comfortable doing that, because you could break your phone. Any notice of improvement? Not really. But this is just a short update of running the 8.00.372 update on my Mate 9. And thank you for watching.